Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The diagnostic trouble codes DTCs B18C7 and B1E77 pertain to an open circuit in the left and right side BSI body control module radar unit indicator circuits, respectively. These circuits are essential for the proper functionality of vehicle safety systems that rely on radar signals for detecting objects near the vehicle. The left BSI radar unit is typically located on the left side of the vehicle behind the bumper, while the right unit is located symmetrically on the right side. When these circuits are compromised, the related indicator lights fail to operate, which can impact the vehicle's safety features. Understanding these codes is crucial for conducting appropriate repairs, as they indicate significant issues within the BSI radar system that may lead to reduced vehicle safety performance. The error description highlights the issue with the left and right indicator circuits for the BSI radar units. The left side BSI radar unit circuit is indicated by code B18C7, while B1E77 refers to the right side. The BSI unit itself plays a pivotal role in managing various electrical systems in vehicles, specifically engaged in monitoring conditions like the operation of driver assistance features. Each radar unit is positioned behind the vehicle's bumpers and is responsible for sensing obstacles and relaying data to the vehicle's central processing. Any interruption in the electrical circuit to these units can cause malfunction, potentially leading to unsafe driving scenarios, as the system will not be able to communicate vital information effectively. Several factors can lead to the triggering of these DTCs. First, a wiring issue within the circuit could be responsible for creating an open circuit scenario. Corroded, damaged, or disconnected wires can disrupt the flow of current, which is critical for the radar unit's operation. Secondly, the fault in the connectors that link the radar unit to the BSI can also lead to open circuits. Connectors that do not make proper contact due to dirt, corrosion, etc., or physical damage will fail to transmit necessary signals. Lastly, faulty radar units themselves can be the root cause, wherein the units might have internal issues rendering them unable to communicate effectively with the BSI. Each of these potential causes requires a systematic evaluation to determine the exact failure point. Throughout the troubleshooting process for DTCs B18C7 and B1E77, several symptoms may become apparent, often relating to the vehicle's safety features. Drivers may notice warning lights illuminated on the dashboard, specifically related to the BSI radar system or safety features such as collision avoidance. Additionally, the radar features themselves may not function correctly, leading to a failure in alerts for obstacles when reversing or parking. This impairment in the radar system significantly decreases the safety alerts provided to the driver, which can increase the risk of accidents. If these symptoms occur, it is critical to address the underlying issues indicated by the DTCs promptly. The first step involves verifying the problem by ensuring the vehicle is in the on mode. The HDS, or Honda Diagnostic System, should be used to clear any existing DTCs. This action resets the system and allows for a fresh diagnostic check. Following this, the vehicle should be turned to the off, lock position, and then back to on mode after at least 2 seconds. This brief pause allows the vehicle systems to reboot. Finally, using the HDS again, check for any DTCs that appear. If DTC B18C7 or B1E77 reappears, it confirms a recurring issue that requires further investigation. In this step, first turn the vehicle off, lock, to ensure safety. Disconnect the left and right BSI alert indicator 2P connectors. This disconnection is crucial for the next stage of the test. With connections removed, Use a jumper wire to connect terminal 1 of each BSI alert indicator to the body ground. The vehicle should remain off during this test. Performing this jump allows technicians to check continuity from both left and right BSI alert indicators to body ground. After making this connection, turn the vehicle to the on mode and check for any DTCs again using the HDS to determine if codes change, indicating an issue within this circuit. For this troubleshooting step, ensure that the vehicle is again turned to the off, lock mode. After confirming this, remove the previously installed jumper wire from the BSI alert indicator 2P connector. Next, check for electrical continuity between terminal 2 of the left BSI alert indicator and body ground. This test requires that the left side BSI radar unit's 6P connector remains disconnected alongside the alert indicator connectors. Assess the continuity status, which will help identify if there is an open circuit. If continuity exists, the alert indicator itself may need replacement. If not, it suggests repairing an open wire within the circuit. In this final troubleshooting step, again, turn the vehicle off, lock. Following that, remove the jumper wire. It is essential to disconnect the left side and right side BSI radar unit's 6P connectors. This allows for a thorough continuity check between the radar units and their respective alert indicators. With these connectors disconnected, verify continuity between terminal 2 of each BSI radar unit and the first terminal of the BSI alert indicators connector. If continuity is present, it's a sign that the radar unit itself may be defective and requires replacement. Conversely, lack of continuity indicates that a wire between the radar unit and alert indicator needs repair, thereby restoring the functional circuit. After all troubleshooting and repairs are completed, it is imperative to conduct a final verification to ensure that the issues are resolved. First, use the HDS to check for any lingering DTCs associated with the BSI radar functionality. If the DTCs have cleared, proceed to inspect the operation of the BSI alert indicators to confirm they illuminate as expected. Finally, test the overall radar system to evaluate whether all associated safety features are functioning correctly and provide reliable alerts. This confirmation step ensures that the repair has been successful and that the vehicle's safety systems are back in optimal working condition. To avoid future occurrences of DTCs B18C7 and B1E77, implementing preventive maintenance strategies is essential. Regularly inspect wiring and connectors for signs of wear or damage, especially in areas exposed to environmental elements. Ensuring connectors are clean and free from corrosion will help maintain solid electrical connections. Routine system diagnostics using the HDS can help identify any anomalies early on before they develop into serious issues. Keeping the radar units well maintained and periodically checked can extend their lifespan and ensure continued functionality. Adopting these practices plays a crucial role in upholding both vehicle safety and reliability over time. In conclusion, understanding diagnostic trouble codes like B18C7 and B1E77 is critical for ensuring vehicle safety and operational integrity. These codes pertain to crucial open circuit issues in the BSI radar system, impacting the functionality of safety features. Troubleshooting through systematic steps can help accurately pinpoint the malfunction, followed by effective repairs. Implementing regular maintenance checks will be instrumental in preventing future issues and enhancing the long-term reliability of the radar systems. By prioritizing these practices, vehicle owners can effectively reduce the risk of safety feature failures and ensure a safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.